Nice ground ball. Good time to call a play. Roll it to X. Nice look. Good job, Georgia. Set to Sam. Wrap it, Sam. Oh, don't. Come on, Katie. Nice ground ball, Katie. You gotta run to it, Alyssa, but we got lucky there. Picking it up on the offense. I'm liking it. Okay, a good cut right now by Allie. Oh, get it, get it, get it, get it, get it, get it. Make that red, make that red, make that red, make that red. Don't stop. Nice, Vanessa, good job. Don't let her run through you, ladies. Monet, good job. Slow her down, though. Alexis playing some Mad D this game. Great job. Looked a lot better on that offensive possession. Stopped him here on this defense. Let's get the ball back. She just ran through 4 girls. Look at Peyton. Peyton's your open person right now. You gotta get to space, ladies. Get to space. Now let's cut back, Peyton. Cut back. Ask for it. Peyton, don't drive too deep. Peyton, there she is. Awesome. Keep chasing, keep chasing. And we got out hustled. We stopped running. Come on, Fair. Stay on her. Come on, make it red. Good job, Vanessa. Great job, Vanessa. Give me a cutter. Yeah, I love her fans over there. Good job, fans. She's got a triple team on her. Sorry for all the viewers of this. I started watching it in live and not watching it through the handheld.